Hey guys, welcome to Gadget Boys, myself Akash, and without wasting any time, let's start the intro. Honor 9X Pro was launched in India. Honor 9X Pro has a 3D curved glass with a dynamic X design in the rear side. It is a heavy phone which weighs around 208 grams. It is 8mm thick. Honor 9X Pro has a 6.5-inch Full HD Plus IPS LCD panel, and one thing is good that it does not have any notch and has a screen to body ratio of 92%. It is powered by Kirin 810 powerful chipset which is based on 7nm technology and has a Mali G52 MP6 GPU. It has an Antutu score of over 3 lakhs. It has the latest GPU Turbo 3 and a liquid cooling technology, so you can now play games and render videos easily. Now coming to the camera section, Honor has a primary 48MP Sony IMX582 sensor with an aperture f1.8. It also has an 8MP ultrawide and a 2MP depth sensor. It supports super night mode, and the rear camera supports video recording up to 1080p and has an AI video stabilization. It has a single 16MP pop-up selfie camera which supports 1080p video recording and has the same AI video stabilization, so you can shoot both stable videos from both the front and the rear camera. It has a 3.5mm headphone jack and has a big battery of 4000 mAh and supports 10W charging. It does not support any fast charging. It has the latest LPDDR4X RAM which supports UFS 2.1 storage. It also has USB Type-C. It has a hybrid SIM slot, that is you can use either 2 SIMs or 1 SIM and a micro SD card. But wait my friends, the main thing is that it does not support Play Store and it has no Google services in it. Huawei introduced the app gallery which contains 95% of the apps present in the Google Play Store, and it supports Huawei mobile services which is a HMS. Some apps like WhatsApp, Facebook, PUBG Mobile are not present in Huawei app gallery, so you have to either use them in your browser or you can download it from the APK file from the APK Pure website and run them in the phone. But I will suggest that if you want to buy a phone only for gaming purpose, then it's okay, but still many of the games require Google Play services, so think twice before buying this phone. The price of Honor 9X Pro, that is a 6GB 256GB variant, is 17,999 rupees, but during the sale, that is on 21st May and 22nd May, it will be only on 14,999 rupees. Thank you for watching our video. If you like the video, please subscribe to our channel and share to it to your friends. Meet you guys in the next video. Till then, bye.